Hello everyone, welcome to our Screencast episode 101. Edtech apps I use often. This is Dr. ZZ, Chington Edtech's Edtech specialist. We are developing K-12 teachers Edtech course to help our fellow educators in creating their own learning materials and explore various educational technology. In this screencast, I will be showing some apps that I use to create interactive lessons, screencasting, blogging, graphics design, and some other stuff. I switched to iPad instead of using laptop. This is my iPad with wireless mouse and keyboard, wireless earphone for recording, and wireless mini projector. I don't have problem much of using laptop. Aside from there are some technical issues, viruses, and most of all, it's heavy to carry around this 15-inch laptop. Apple products are very cool, but when I think about my fellow K-12 educators in public schools, even in private schools, I think it's better to use Android tablet PC to replace your laptop. Aside that it's handy and it's also cheap, it's easy to install and use the apps. I will be showing in my next screencast episode how I use the ZPad version 4.0 tablet PC designed by ZEd as a new tool for K-12 educators. Here are my apps on my iPad. As a Christian, I start my day with the Daily Bible app. For my personal professional growth as an IT teacher and curriculum developer for robotics, computer science for kids, and STEM education, Scratch Junior is an introductory programming language that enables young children 5 to 7 years old to create their own interactive games and stories. Teachers from grades 1 to 3 can also explore to use Scratch Junior to introduce their lesson. TacoBot Robotics for Pre-K is designed for early childhood STEM education. Students learn how to program the robot using blocks.
Detect sounds at detect objects 10 centimeters ahead. Detect objects 10 centimeters ahead.
Microbit is a physical computing device that provides connection between abstract ideas and real-world outcomes by working with hardware and software, designing, building, prototyping, iterating. The experience of improving a design as well as making mistakes and learning from them. We use Solo Learn to learn some other programming languages. I love this learning app and it's for free. And also Ed's courses for your professional growth. I am listening to podcasts and I use my wireless earphone to do my thing while listening to my favorite episodes. Instead of using Microsoft Office products, I'm using the Keynote for PowerPoint pages and pages for documents under a ready-made template. I'm using Canva instead of Photoshop because it has ready-made templates and mostly our latest trends graphic design. So it's not difficult to edit your graphics. I use Record It to screencast. It's very easy to use. I am exploring now Explain Everything since I also like their style and design. There are so many Android apps to record your screen and all you need to do is to feel comfortable using it. For blogging, I use WordPress. It's for free with limited features, but I think it's fine for beginners. For mind mapping, I use the ThinkSpace, Zoom for video conferencing when I'm having meeting with my colleagues, and to organize my ideas, accomplishing project, and put in a daily task, I use Trello. As an author, I'm using Writer app for my manuscript, and Viva Video, TikTok, and it's fun. Thank you very much for watching my screencast episode. And if you have comment and suggestion, feel free to email me. I also invite contributors on my Edtech journey. Welcome to my virtual world.